This is our iPhone 16 Pro. Of course, I wanted to get the 16 Pro Max, but thank God I got the 16 Pro because it got everything the Max has, plus a very, very compact size, which maybe because of using the S24 Ultra all this while, I feel it's bulky, sometimes not easy in some pockets and all that. But yeah, I actually ordered for the iPhone 16 September 2024, yes. But I got it in December 2024. And this past 3 months has been a lot of stress. And it started with Apple, when I made a pre-order and I wanted to order, and Apple is not shipping to my freight company that will bring it from the US to Nigeria. Yeah, some of you don't know I'm based in Nigeria. So then I went through another, series of jamboree with Brand Smart USA. Then someone tried to scam me, trying to sell me iPhone 16 Pro Max on eBay. Then I finally got it, and then my freight company now have to hold this phone for over a month because of logistics problem. And somehow it ruined my unboxing because I made sure there were rumors that some people had some of their product damaged, maybe during that delay or something. So I made sure that I told the person that picked it up for me and sent it to Port Harcourt to open it, check everything, turn on the phone, make sure the screen is working, everything is intact. But that ruined my unboxing. Well, if you've already seen the unboxing, you might probably mix the part where I have to, tear out the papers and all that. But the phone is here and we're going to talk about it. Of course, I promise you that we're going to do a lot of comparison between the iPhone 16 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy A24 Ultra. That's A18 Pro chip from Apple. And of course, we're going to look at the Apple intelligence. We're going to look at the AIs, and all the function as it compares to this phone, which is already coming to 1 year, and another one is coming out. So we might still continue the comparison, as the new year comes in 2025. I want to hear from you in the comment section. What do you want us to, test, question you want us to answer? Since we promise you we're going to do a lot. We're going to do a lot of comparison. We're going to do a lot of videos on this. So I want to hear from you in the comment section. And I also got it because since it wasted time, I really don't want anything that will stress this phone. I got a lot of package with it together. First of all, the privacy screen protect. I got that. And then also I got protection for also the back camera because I'm going to use this for a long time and it's quite expensive. This is actually the 512 model. So I'm going to add this. And I didn't want to get the casing first because it would be reminding me of all the pain. So the casing I ordered, is still coming in, should be coming in next week. But while I was waiting for that, I quickly rushed in and got a very, very nice, case here locally. And it looks great. So this one has to be fully protected because we intend to use it for a longer period of time, maybe 1 year or 2, I don't know. And then we move on to the next thing that Apple is going to offer. So yeah, let me hear from you in the comment section. Sorry about the delays that I couldn't do this content when I really wanted to do it. I wanted to get this one as early as possible and show you some of the things I'm excited about. I've already stopped talking about beta because if you don't have iPhone 15 Pro and newer, there are things you're not going to actually experience in the beta program. So I'm going to go back, get content. So let me hear from you. Of course, I'm going to do a video of, if you want to know all the stress I went through about getting the iPhone, I'm going to do a video about it on our YouTube, a separate video. Let me hear from you in the comment section and make sure you like, share, subscribe so that to get that video when I do it. So we are here. Thank you for the support. Keep supporting the channel, keep watching our video. And that's the fuel that makes us to go through what we go through and we still come through to get a device and show you some things practically like no other as we do here on Smart Depot Tech. So thank you for the support. Thank you for watching. Drop any question about the iPhone if you still have any, because I feel the vibe is already gone. My eyes already on the Snapdragon 8 Elite because that chip is powerful. Of course, I'm looking next year to test it out with the iPhone 16 Pro, probably also with the S24 Ultra, but the S25 Ultra is already at the corner. So yeah, let me hear from you in the comment section, and thank you for the support. And until I see you in the next one, it is peace to our world. Subscribe. I'll see you.